Music haptics is one of the most exciting features. What makes it so cool is the ability to make your iPhone play a variety of haptics such as taps and textures in sync with the currently playing song. If you're fond of this cool feature, chances are you would love to add the music haptics icon on the iPhone lock screen for a quick activation experience. That said, let me show you how it's done the quick way. So to get started, you have to press the power button of your iPhone to bring up the lock screen, and then you have to authenticate using your Face ID. And then you have to long press on the screen and choose the Customize button. And then you have to select the lock screen option to proceed. And then you have to tap on the minus button at the top of the control you want to get rid of. After that, you have to tap on the plus button. And then you have to scroll down to find the hearing section and choose the music haptics icon. And finally, you have to tap on the done button at the top right corner of the screen and you are all set. Going forward, you can quickly enable or disable music haptics right from the lock screen by just pressing this very music haptics icon. Just like this, super handy, isn't it? If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy iPhone tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye-bye.